come get ready with me to a party. I'm gonna start off with the NYX primer. I already did my skincare beforehand. Then I'm gonna mix this foundation with the Fit Me because I picked the wrong shade. Since I wasn't a fan of sunscreen, I kind of turned darker than my usual skin tone, but this will do. And let's not forget the neck. For the concealer, I'm gonna use this orange tone to cover up some of my blemishes caused by acne scars. And this is what my skin looks like now, doing my under eyes and other dark spots. Then I'm using this pressed powder. You can also use setting powder as an alternative. For contour and highlighter, I'm using this NYX 2-in-1 stick because its application is really easy and convenient for me as a beginner at makeup. I'm gonna use the blending brush to blend out the contour and highlighter later on.
Period.
We're done with the base. Then I'm using this hair stick as an alternative for an eyebrow gel. I use a spoolie to brush it up. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Pink Flash 2-in-1 powder and gel and this angle brush to shape out my little to no eyebrows. The concentration. Then I'm gonna apply a highlighter concealer underneath my eyebrows to make my eyebrows pop up. Twisting your eyelash curler upwards while pressing it is more effective than just pressing it. Then I'll be using this light shade of pink to crease out the base eyeshadow. Don't forget to put underneath the eyes. Then I'll be using my finger to apply glitter on my eyes, and I'll be blending it later on with the brush. Then I'll be using this mascara with a really thin wand. For the blush, I'm gonna use this powder blush in the shade of Rose by Tarte. Applying it upwards to give a snatch look. Since I'm going for a simple makeup look, I'm gonna use a simple lip tint and a lip balm from Labello. And we're done. Joke, there's still a fixing spray. Hold on, I put too much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this video and what you want to see next. Bye!